everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I don't know if you've seen on TikTok, but the strawberry makeup trend is super trendy right now. Honestly, it's all over my For You page, so I thought I'll hop on the bandwagon and put out a tutorial for you guys. And if you don't know what strawberry makeup is, here are a few inspo pics that I have found. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. If you want a sneak peek of the finished look, I'll chuck one in now for you. Doesn't she look strawberry? Doesn't she look glowy? Let's crack on into the tutorial. But before I do that, remember to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video and to subscribe to my channel to see more of me and makeup fun. But without further ado, let's get on into the video. So now my hair is out the way. First, I'm just going to prep the skin. I'm just going to be using this Embryolisse cream. This is a 2-in-1 moisturizer and primer. But if you're obsessed with makeup and on TikTok, you know what this is. So let's just give that a rub in. For this video, we are going to be doing underpainting, but we're going to be doing some underpainting with blush. And to be specific, this is a blush skin tint. This is the one from Benefit. So basically, we want to create like we have a sunburn under our face. Under our face? Let me try again. We're going to try get a sunburn on our face. Just a really cute one. So apply the product on generously. And I feel like this product just blends out better with the fingers. And don't worry if it's too much and overboard, we can deal with that later. Just really get that blush on there, and then we're going to do the same for the other side, and then I'm going to let that side dry a little bit, and then I'll probably add another layer to make it super bright. And don't forget about the nose, because the nose burns very easily. And then as I'm blending, I'm just going to take up onto my eye a little bit. And I'm just applying a little bit more to the temples because I don't think it's bright enough. And a little bit more to the nose as well. If you don't have a tint like I do, you can do this with a normal blush. I would recommend a cream blush as it will be a lot easier. Now we have gone overboard with the blush, I'm going to do a little bit of bronze touring. And I'm going to be doing that with a Made by Mitchell blush in the shade Caramel Chisel. We only want a little bit. We're just going to apply 3 dots like that because we don't want to take away from the blush, because this is what the look is about. I mean, the clue's in the title, strawberry makeup, meaning pink, wow, pink and red makeup. So this is where I apply the product, and then we're just going to blend that out. But I'm going to make sure that I'm keeping it quite below the blush so it doesn't take over the blush, and it just looks so cute. I'm blending out this product with a beauty sponge from Coco Cosmetics, and it's slightly damp as well, just to make it blend that much easier. I feel like I haven't sat down and recorded a makeup tutorial in a while, so hi everyone, it's been a while. I feel like I've been doing a few more vlogs recently, and I just really am ready to get back into the swing of recording more videos. Sorry, my uploading schedule hasn't been consistent, but I'm here, I'm back, and I'm going to carry on. But for all those of you who are not watching my videos, hi, I'm Lydia, and I post sporadically, but it's going to get better. So that's the underpainting done. I am going to add some foundation and concealer, but before I do that, I'm actually going to do my brows, so when I do my foundation, it doesn't interact with my brows and look awful. So for brows, it's all about having natural brows. It's about a natural look. Someone who would go strawberry picking and maybe burn themselves. I don't know, I'm creating my own narrative here. So I'm going to be using this brow lift gel from e.l.f. on a spoolie. I didn't show you the lid, but this is the product. What I'm going to do, I'm going to brush my hair backwards, making them look clear easy, and then brush them up into place. I love this product because look how quick and easy it is to style your brows. Honestly, when I wake up just before work, popping this product on, lifesaver, because I don't know, I really love brows, and I think brows like are very important on my face, and they just, I don't know, they just look really good and make a lot of eye contact, and your brows are right above them, so they gotta be looking good. And this helps when you're in a rush. And just like that, they are done. So I will let them dry down, and then I might add a few brow hairs or fake brow hairs in a minute. But now let's get back onto the face. I'm going to apply foundation to this area and this area. We are going to avoid the blush area for now. For foundation, I'm going to be using the HMB Cosmetics Luminous Soft Focus Foundation in the shade LF4N. Honestly, this foundation, the name is a tongue twister. It's so long and I don't know why. My new favorite technique has been like taking it on my fingers and then like dabbing it on my face like that. I feel like I just get the most out of this product when I do that, because I used to put it on the back of my hand, but then I have like too much product on the back of my hand, whereas my fingers just don't really absorb much of the product. And then if I picked it up directly with the sponge absorbs way too much in my opinion. So now I'm just going to take the beauty sponge that I was using earlier and just blend that out, focusing on the bottom half and the top half. Well, not the bottom and top half, because that would be my whole face. The bottom and the top of my face, keeping that blush very bright because I'm a strawberry. And that's how easy it blends. Now you may be thinking, look at my eyes. You can still see my dark bags, and we don't want it like that. So let's cover them up. I'm going to be using a lightweight concealer. This is the Kosas concealer. And what shade is this? This is in the shade 1N, one of the lightest. So I'm not going to apply like the big triangles that I know and I love. I'm just going to apply some dots like that. And then I'm going to let it kind of dry down a little bit, so then it can have some more coverage. So I'm just gonna fan that for a second. The great thing about this makeup look is how quick and easy it really is. Also, while that's drying down, I'm gonna go back in my Benny tint or my blush or whatever you are using, and I'm just gonna apply it to the lips, just like so. And then this gives it a chance to marinate, to soak in, to tint before we get onto the step of lips. Now I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and blend out that concealer, avoiding that blush area. I'm going to take it onto my eyelids because my eyelids are veiny and I'm not a huge fan. So let's just blend that out. And as you can see, it's kind of dried down a bit, so the concealer is staying in that area. Now I have the majority of it blended. I am going to take the tip of my beauty blender and bounce that in. And then this just makes it more seamless with that blush that we already have on. So I've also noticed that my blush is a bit uneven and I have way too much down here comparing to this side. So I'm going to take a little bit away. And I'm actually going to take a little bit away on my nose as well. So I'm just going to apply some concealer and then blend out with sponge, and then let's see how it looks, because this is my first time doing the strawberry girl makeup trend, but I think it's quite cute. I'm going to go back in with a Benny tint or the blush, whatever you're using, and apply a little bit to the outer corners of my eyes and blend that in, as this is just going to act as my eyeshadow today. Just a bit of pink gorgeousness to go with this strawberry look. I think we should play a game. Every time I say strawberry, you have to take a shot. This look is so quick and easy, but it stains your hands, so go wash them, or otherwise you're just gonna have blush hands. Now let's focus on the eye area. So my brows have like dried down, and now I feel like they need a bit more color so they fit in with this look. So I'm going to be using the Refine pencil in the shade medium brown today. So I'm just going to take the pencil and just pretend to draw some brow hairs on. Well, I'm not pretending to draw brow hairs on. It's more pretend that I have more brow hairs. Honestly, what is going on with my English today? I could edit it out, but I feel like it'll be funny to show you. I just thought I'd keep it in there because it might be funny to watch. Hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, hit the thumbs up button. There you go. I just feel like they're more defined now, so they suit the look better, because when they're like too, like not as dark, it's like the blush like washes out the brows. Sticking with the Refine brow pencil, I'm just going to draw a tiny little wing today. Just going to take the pencil and draw a little line outwards, as we want some little wings or some little lines. My mum actually calls them flicks. I think it's very cute. And doing it with a brow pencil just means it's a lot less harsh than it would if I was doing it with eyeliner, because this is about being glowy and gorgeous from just enhancing your beauty basically. And I feel like this is just a bit natural and a bit more softer. And the great thing about this brow pencil, if I mess up, I can literally just wipe it and it kind of wipes away. I don't know if you saw that because I was maybe blocking with my mirror, but I need to do this side again because it's not that good. And now I have the liner on, let's move on to these lashes. I'm going to keep it kind of natural today, but I'm just going to have these lashes kind of cute and pretty. So I'm going to curl them, add some mascara, and then I think some wispy lashes will just make this look really pop. You also may have noticed I haven't set any of the products with any powder today, and that's because my skin's quite dry, and if I add powder it's going to take away from the glowiness. But if you feel like you're more oily and if you don't apply powder then it will just be covered in oils, then apply some powder. I don't know what's going on with my lashes today, but there's one here which is like super long. Also, I'm only putting mascara on my top eyelashes today to make them really wide. Now I'm going to go stick on some Kiss Wispy Lashes with some Duo Lash Glue, and then we'll be back to complete the look. My lashes are finally on. Honestly, they took forever, and this one, you can just see it's like clumped up on the side, and I have no idea why. Probably the way I stored them, but I need some more wispy lashes. I love Ardell, I love Kiss. Do you have any options for me? Let me know down in the comments if you have any wispy eyelashes that you love. But for now, let's ignore it and try to carry on. And of course, we're picking up that Benny tint again, and we're going to go into the lips one last time. So at this time when applying, I'm just going to focus on the inner lip. Sorry, I'm trying to do this while I talk, but I'm focusing on the inside so it can look a bit bigger. Ombre lips kind of style. You can do the same with any other product. I just gotta let it dry down now, so I'm acting a bit weird. And of course, we gotta make it dewy and glowy, so let's set it with some dewy setting mist. This is the Brushworks one. Give it a shake and a spritz. Because that was a very, very quick makeup tutorial today, that's what I think, I'm going to show you how to create some little strawberry farmer girl hairstyles. Honestly, I don't have what I'm doing, I am winging it, but if you're still here, you've seen the sneak peek that I did put in earlier, so you must have liked that. So let me show you a cute hairstyle that I'm going to do. Do I take it from here or here? That is a question. So I'm going to take a section of hair like this from either side, and then I'm going to braid it. So take that piece into 3 pieces and go under the middle. So I don't know if you know how to braid, but you go under the middle strand, under the middle strand, under the middle strand. And you basically swap places with the middle strand every time. Just going under, alternating sides, just like that. It is very untidy, but that does not matter. Then we are going to do the same on this side. Sorry if I'm looking down weirdly. I have a mirror down there. So now we're going to take another chunk. But from this side, this one is going to be a bit more hair because I have more hair on that side of my face. And I'm just pulling out a little strand from that. So it's going to be a bit unneat, a bit messy, a bit windswept. Now I have these 2 braids. We are going to take them to the back of the head and then tie them together with a little hairband. And that is the strawberry girl kind of hair look I'm doing today. So as I was doing my hair, I was like, what can we add more to this look? Because it might need a little bit more. And freckles is what is needed. I didn't bring it up when I was doing the makeup because I have natural freckles and I can see them through other blush tint. But what you could do, this brow pencil is the perfect shade just to tap it on and make some freckles like so. Try not to swipe it when you put it on. And lastly, I'm just gonna add a lip balm to the top of my lips just to make it look a bit more glowy. And here is the final strawberry girl makeup look. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. I honestly think it's really cute makeup and it suits so many people and just like reminds me of like fairy vibes. But I don't personally know if it's something I would wear every day. I just wanted to give it a go, and you should too. If you like this makeup look or enjoyed the video, remember to give this video a huge thumbs up and also to subscribe to my channel to see more of me and makeup fun. Lastly, if you have any video ideas, please leave them in the comments as I would love to create videos and content for you guys. Again, thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. It means so much to me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!